Problem with isolation, you run out of things to do. Clearly, I've cut my beard too short. I'm not happy. Perfect. Hello broskies, welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. And if you're new here, I'm Erkin and this is the life of a broski, where I bring you sneaker reviews, lifestyle and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. And on today's episode, I have the Nike Air Max 2090 Duck Camo. Now you, darling, have given me quite a bit of trouble, you have. Yes, you have. You definitely have. See, broskies, this has come about a week late. I ordered these on Air Max Day, launch day, woke up, alarm, everything, heart's racing. I was like, please, let me get this silhouette. Need to do this colorway. Please, please, please. Ordered it, everything fine. Everything was fine, but for some reason Nike have slowed right down with the deliveries off their website. So if you're wondering why the videos aren't coming thick and fast like they were, some retailers here in the UK are slowing down quite a lot with all the madness going on. But over here, we don't cry over spilt milk. They're here now and I'm glad to get this colorway in the studio. I know there were other colorways on launch, but for those who know me, I've got a thing about camo. It's even on my logo. The broski branding is full of camo and khaki accents. So broskies, without any more waffle, let's take a look up close with this camo colorway. Now this Duck Camo Air Max 2090 colorway does have accents of infrared on this sneaker. Is due to the original Air Max 90 coming out in the white and infrared colorway. Now of course, this 2090 Air Max is a new silhouette that blends the Air Max 200 and the Air Max 90 with the updated air unit at the back and that cushioned midsole towards the forefront of the foot. It is a nice balance of futuristic but classic styling. It has a larger cage around the air unit due to that updated styling and design. Of course, there is that pulley at the back on top of that heel counter. There is that shield you would find on the Air Max 90 with the Air logo and the Nike swoosh in the grooves at the back. There is that dual layered upper with that mesh cage around the upper, which is see-through, and as you can see, there is that camo design underneath peeking through. Towards the lateral side of the sneaker, there is that cropped Nike swoosh with that black camo design. And just underneath, there is that infrared stitching, which combines that suede mud flap with the Air branding on top. Not much happening in the medial side of the sneaker, which I felt they could have added another Nike swoosh on there. The wide stitched overlays is covered in that TPU material, which adds that sleek and stealthy look to the sneaker. A couple things that are included in the box. We have two different colored laces, the infrared and of course the black laces. And there's this stylish plastic Nike Air logo that you can attach to the laces, which is a nice touch. It is paying homage to the Air Max 90. And on that tongue, we have that new design with that hole in the middle with the Nike swooshes on top and the Air logo on the sides of the diagonal 0. Now, one thing I'm not really a fan of is the lacing on this sneaker. They are really long for this sneaker that I had to style it in my own way, but still it looks a bit awkward on this sneaker with these specific laces. Even how the lace holes are placed on the upper, it just doesn't seem right. Going towards the outsole of this sneaker, at the back of the outsole, we have that Air Max 200 design. And towards the front of the outsole, we have that classic Air Max 90 waffle design. But overall, color, design, and styling, I am digging. I'm a big fan of this camo colorway. A lot of people are torn on this silhouette because there isn't a wide range of colors out yet. But I have just looked at the Nike website and there are 4 extra colorways coming out just a week after launch. So I'm very excited to see all these colorways come out on this brand spanking new silhouette. Now in terms of sizing, I have reviewed this sneaker before in the other colorways, the black and white and of course the peacock blue. The sizing is a bit long for me personally. I think going half a size down would have suited me a lot better, particularly because of the upper not having as much structure to other silhouettes. So I'll advise go half a size down. Now in terms of comfort, I am a big fan of the Air Max cushioning and of course the midsole on this sneaker. The only thing is there is a noticeable difference with the midsole and the foam at the forefront compared to the Air Max unit at the back. But of course with most Air Max silhouettes, you really do have to wear them in to feel that full comfort and cushioning. But overall with this silhouette and colorway for comfort, I'm going to give an 8.5. Now in terms of breathability, that dual layered upper, the mesh and that sock-like feature is very light on the upper. So with breathability, there is no trouble there. Perfect materials for the summer. So overall, breathability with this colorway, the Duck Camo, I'm gonna give a 9 out of 10. So anyways, broskis, we have come to the part of the video where I decide if these are a buy or a buy. Now I am a big fan of camouflage accents on sneakers and clothing, and the infrared accents on this sneaker just Now in my opinion, out of the launch colorways, I feel this was the best one for me. And seeing these on foot and in person, they look a lot better than pictures. The lightweight feel on foot alongside that cushioning and breathability, it's a great sneaker for the summer. So broskis, I'm gonna give these a buy. The retail price for these are £130, and for a new Air Max silhouette, I think that is rather cheap. Nike, don't put your prices up. But broskis, I want to know what you think. Are you a fan of this colorway and this new silhouette? Did you manage to cop a pair on launch, or are you waiting for a new colorway to come out? Leave your comments down below, and as always, I will be pinning the best one. Anyways broskis, that's enough from me. I hope you liked this video and I hope you're staying safe. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, until the next episode, take care.